Cool. Package just came in. That is the strut tower base that's gonna go connected from there to there. It already has the 3-bolt hole location. 2, 3. Package just arrived, so let's get to it. That's the quick hardware. I'll put the link on the description on where to get this. Should fit 2011 to 15 Camaros. I believe the 2010 you're not able to add one of these. Something about I think those didn't come equipped with these. I think you have to make your own. But let's remove that. And there she blows. Pretty sturdy. Actually, it's weighs pretty good. I actually like it. So, and I wanted to paint it red. Maybe I could do that later. They're pretty easy to kind of install and remove. So let's go ahead and just sit that there. It's kind of hard. Let's see if I could set the phone down at a location where y'all could watch. Let me just sit that there for now. I want to find a location for y'all. Give me a sec. That's kind of difficult, but let's just... So from here, I'm just gonna... see, that's kind of what I meant, where you just kind of have to locate the... There you go. So that sits in correctly. Let's head on to the other side. That also... have to move it, obviously. Gotta push it. That's it. Let's just get a view from now. Cool. That's what it looks like. It's 3 and 3. All right. Pretty simple, guys. Simple. So obviously add the washer first. You adjust the hole, always hand tight. Always hand tight. Till I guess the best you could do. I should go all the way, but let's get the rest for now. Then we'll grab the socket. On to the last one. Just make sure you hand tight everything. You always want to hand tight everything. Don't fuck it up. Excuse me. To the other side, hand tight, then we're just gonna snug it down real good, really a good snug, not over tighten it, but you know, kind of like when you do your spark plugs. The foot pounds on these is what I think it's inches actually. It's really it's not a lot, so you don't have to overdo it. I'll put the torque specs on the description below as well. That's it, just snug. That was a 13mm finished product.